Hi there, students. Vermin, a noun. I guess verminous as an adjective. Okay, vermin are either it's small types of insects or small animals that cause harm and they're annoying. So, for example, rats and mice are considered vermin. Yeah, they cause problems for humans. They damage crops, and they also maybe carry disease. Lice or fleas could be considered as vermin. Yeah, they're objectionable and they're difficult to control. Okay, so I think vermin, particularly fleas, lice, rats, cockroaches. You can also use vermin to talk about animals that prey on other animals. For example, in the past, the fox used to be considered vermin. Probably in some places he still is, because he kills the chickens. Yeah. So it's it's an animal that's preying on farm animals. Yeah, kills your chickens, or I don't know, if you raise pheasants, for example, then various other animals, wild animals, are going to be considered vermin. Yeah, these are animals that, well, effectively they kill the farmers' animals, or kill the things that you're trying to rear. So, vermin, something pretty nasty. Now, you can also use this metaphorically to talk about a person. Yeah? People like this are absolute vermin. Yeah? They're horrible people. Yeah? They are bad people. Okay, so vermin. Yeah? I don't want vermin like him coming into my house. And then verminous. So, it gives the idea of infested with horrible things. So, I wouldn't sleep on that verminous mattress if I were you. You'll be scratching for 2 weeks afterwards. Everything will be itching. Yeah? This is a district rife with crime. It's a particularly verminous area. Okay, so here I've used it metaphorically. But so vermin, undesirable pests, ones that cause problems. Rats, fleas, mice, cockroaches, parasites. Yeah, and that's the idea of vermin. Yeah, parasites that you really don't want. A varmint as well. A varmint, but that's a very American word. Okay, so yeah, vermin, unpleasant animals that you really don't want. Yeah, they spread diseases, they destroy crops, they kill animals. Yeah. But then I think maybe humans are vermin to the natural world. Yeah, because we are destroying it. So vermin, formality. I think I'm going to give it a 6 in formality. I think you could probably use it informally, but probably more common semi-formal speaking or writing, or something very formal as well. As to origin, vermin comes from the Latin word vermis, meaning a worm. Yeah, you could call somebody a worm. I think if you call them vermin, it's much stronger. Yeah, so notice if you call somebody vermin, this is a really quite a strong phrase. Yeah, because this is somebody who's a problem. A weasel, maybe they carry disease. They kill your animals. Bed bugs could be vermin as well. They say that coyotes are vermin. Yeah. Okay, so enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. So, bye for now. Vermin, verminous.